Hello! In this video, we'll take a look at the best graphics tablets currently available on the market. We spent 330 hours researching and evaluating the best 15 graphics tablets using external tests and reviews. With the help of our TUV certified quality management system for testing and comparison procedures, we are able to present to you the best graphics tablets in these categories. The best graphics tablet for beginners, the best graphics tablet with display, the best graphics tablet without display, the best graphics tablet under €100, and the best wireless graphics tablet. Accordingly, it is important for us to show the best option for each target group so that it perfectly fits your requirement profile. Let's get started! In our first category, the best graphics tablet for beginners, we were completely won over by the H610 Pro V2 from Huion. It only costs around €65, making it the cheapest tablet we're presenting today. This graphics tablet has a battery-free stylus that allows you to use the tablet for hours without having to charge the stylus. The Huion H610 Pro V2 graphics tablet no longer needs to be used vertically to draw, but supports a plus-minus 60-degree tilt function that allows you to draw more natural lines and makes your graphics more sophisticated. This tablet has a full 81/92 pressure sensitivity levels, a pen resolution of 5080 LPI, and a fast reporting speed of 233 pps, making it capable of high performance. There are a total of 24 customizable buttons and a 6.25-inch workspace, making your work easier. The H610 Pro V2 graphics tablet not only supports Windows 7 or higher and macOS 10.12 or higher, but also Android 6.0 or higher, which means you can even connect it to your Android phone. The second category is about the best graphics tablet with display. In our opinion, this is clearly the Canvas Pro 13 from Huion. It costs just under €220 and is thus in the midfield in our video today. This tablet has a 120% sRGB color space and 10mm sensor height, plus 4 customizable shortcut keys, 1 function key and 1 touch bar. You can also expect 81/92 pressure sensitivity levels, a 266 pps report rate, and a 5080 LPI handwriting resolution here. There's a battery-free stylus here too, as well as a pen holder, an integrated flip-up holder with 6 viewing angles, 10 more extra abrasive pen refills, and more bundled with this tablet. The fully laminated and anti-glare 13.3-inch screen reduces interference with ambient light, avoiding glare for the human eye. The distance between the pen tip and the cursor has also been shortened, making the surface feel like a piece of paper. Last but not least, it supports a plus-minus 60 degrees levels of tilt detection, making it easier to simulate the tilt effect of special drawing movements, and automatically corrects the cursor in certain programs that support the tilt feature. Now we've come to the next category, which is about the best graphics tablet without a display. For us, this is clearly the Intuos Pro from Wacom. This tablet is yours for just under €300. The included Pro Pen 2 provides a particularly natural drawing feel. The tablet has a 81/92 pressure sensitivity levels, tilt detection, and no lag when drawing. It has many different controls including 8 customizable express keys, multi-touch in most apps, gestures to pan, zoom, rotate, touch ring, express view, and display switching. The tablet is also Windows and Mac compatible. The fourth category is about the best graphics tablet under €100. For us, this is clearly the STL 4100 Intuos from Wacom. It can be bought for just under €85 and is thus the second cheapest tablet that we present. It has a large drawing area of 15.2 9.4 centimeters and is compatible with Mac and Windows. This tablet has 4 customizable express keys and can be used by left-handers as well as right-handers. It is small and handy, making it perfect for use in smaller workspaces. The tablet and the accompanying battery-free pen have 1492 levels of pressure and 2540 LPI. Last but not least, the fifth category is about the best wireless graphics tablet. Here, the Ardus 15.6 Pro from XP Pen completely convinced us. The Ardus 15.6 Pro graphics tablet has a red dial that can be used to enlarge or reduce the drawing area and to drag it up or down. The 8 shortcut keys can be programmed and assigned many functions, providing many conveniences and high efficiency while working. It has a 15.6-inch fully laminated display and a battery-free PA2 pen that has 8192 pressure and natural tilt detection, providing an accurate imitation of a real pen and smoother transition between strong and thin lines. A 178 degrees viewing angle and 120% sRGB provide true color, sharp, detailed image quality. The only downer is the price of just under 440 euros. And that's it, our 5 best graphics tablets. If you liked this video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. That way, you'll be sure not to miss any of our other videos. You can check out the products on Amazon using the links in the description. Most of them were heavily discounted at the time the video was made. If you want to save, it is worth it to check quickly and see the current prices. We are already looking forward to welcoming you back in the next video.